In this video, we take you behind the scenes to explore the preparation for Koicha or thick tea and the essential cleaning ritual of the tea ceremony. A display shelf or tana is traditionally used only in tea rooms larger than 4.5 tatami mats. It is placed on the temaeza, centered 16 tatami weaves stitches away from the extension line of the hearth frame. The shelf is positioned slightly off-center. The number of stitches on the right, the guest side, should be an odd number and exactly one stitch fewer than on the left, creating a subtle visual balance. Before beginning the ceremony, we first wash our hands. The fukusa is attached to the obi, and the kaishi paper and the dashi fukusa are placed inside the kimono breast, tucked in deeply so they don't show. In the Mizuya, the tea cloth chakin is made of linen, while the cleaning cloth is cotton. Each is folded differently and traditionally kept on separate left and right sides. In our space, we maintain this separation without using wall nails. We rinse the kensui and place the hishaku ladle and the futaoki lid rest inside it. Because the bamboo lid rest will later sit on the tatami, it must be wiped completely dry. The ladle is also dried carefully before being placed face down across the kensui. Tea bowl is washed, wiped, and set on the shelf. There is a specific way to fold the chakin before placing it in the tea bowl. Be sure to wring out well. If it's too damp, it will slip and lose its grip when wiping the bowl. The cut ends of chasen whisk are dried to prevent moisture from reaching the tatami. The chashaku tea scoop is never washed with water, so hands must be fully dry before handling it. Today we prepare for kumiawaseten, one of the formal study ceremonies known as naraigoto. Once the utensils are arranged, we slightly open the lid of the kettle. All of this work is Mizuya shigoto, preparation done out of sight of the guests. After the ceremony, water is poured over the kettle, then transferred to another pot. The kettle is placed upside down on a stand and scrubbed with water using a special brush. Once completely drained, it is returned to the hearth and left overnight so the remaining warmth can dry it fully. Any moisture can cause rust, and the kettle should never be touched with bare hands. Finally, the utensils are washed using the hot water from the kettle, starting with those that touched the mouth. Matcha is gently removed from the whisk by hand. Tea bowls are never washed with detergent, only water and the final hot water rinse. They must be fully dry before being stored. The work of the Mizuya, though unseen, is just as important as the ceremony itself. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more insights into Japanese tea culture.